See, my little princess already has on waist beads that she happened to adore. But I want to teach you how to tie these waist beads without having to actually cut them. So I'm going to practice with this string. Put your hands down, little lady. Okay. So, you do this. And you wrap. Wrap it around a couple times to where you can tie a knot. I'm not even going to say a couple, I'm going to say several times. Because if not, it can come loose and we don't want that. They're too beautiful and too expensive. Well, some of them are, not mine. But it's time consuming. So, okay, we wrapped. Now what we're gonna do next is eventually we're gonna cut this off, this little piece of the string. But for right now, you know, we're gonna leave it on. And then you take another section. Turn this way, baby. And you wrap. So I'm gonna wrap this like I did the other side in the knots and tie it in a knot. And I'm pretty sure everybody know how to tie a knot, so just knot it. Bring it through and knot it. So that is the second. We're gonna go ahead and do a third one because her waist is so tiny that we can do a third one. Let me move these down, princess. But y'all see where I'm getting at, right? And see, she'll have to where it looks like she has on 3 waist beads, but really and truly she has on 1. It's just her waist was too small, so you don't have to cut the extra beads. Some people do. I know that I do. I don't have mine connected like this, but if I really, really like the string, then I will connect it. But this is the last one. We'll connect it, and then that will be final. Come on, babe. All right, so I'm gonna use the scissors. Let me get them. Wait a second, honey. I'm gonna use the scissors to cut off the extra. Let's move up close. See, this little extra. And you see, this is how you have the waist piece connected without actually having to cut. See? So pretty. You like? Okay. So she probably won't keep these ones on. She probably won't keep these ones on, but she will keep these on. She's been keeping these on for like 2 of these strings for like 3 months. And then these other 2 are new that she's been having them for like 3 weeks. But that is how you connect the waist beads without actually having to cut them. Thank you.